Boat filled with migrants caught fire. All 34 people on board were forced to jump into the water as those flames engulfed the boat. Now, thankfully, no one was hurt. A Portuguese Air Force crew quickly responded and they safely rescued everyone who was on board. In South Carolina, 2 men are facing charges for forcing an alligator to drink beer. Take a look at this. The suspects posted pictures of this incident on Snapchat. Officials later started receiving calls and emails, and of course, they tracked down the 2 men. They apparently found the gator crossing the road, and the men said that they later released it into a nearby pond, and the gator swam away. Both are facing harassment charges. And now to news out of the sports world. Tiger Woods is speaking out for the first time since being arrested for a suspected DUI in Florida. Now, just a short time ago, we learned that alcohol was not detected on Woods' breath when officers found him asleep inside his car. Wjla has the latest.
We have new details behind this now infamous mugshot. Tiger Woods arrested for suspicion of driving under the influence early Monday morning in Jupiter, Florida. A court document reveals the responding officer found Woods asleep at the wheel and he had to be woken up. It alleges his speech was extremely slow and slurred and that he could not walk in a straight line. Woods insists alcohol was not involved, and the document shows that Woods blew a 0 on his breathalyzer test. In a statement, he blames the incident on an unexpected reaction to prescribed medications.
He's a community member, and I think that, we should support him.
The golf legend once dominated the game.
There it is, a win for the ages.
Winning 79 PGA Tour events and 14 majors. But in 2009, the first crack. An SUV crash outside his home revealed a cheating scandal, leading to a very public divorce from his wife and sponsorship losses worth millions. He built back his reputation off the course, but his career remains plagued with health issues, undergoing 4 back surgeries, the most recent just this April.
Tiger, the golfer, has been basically missing over the last couple of years. He's played 3 tournaments worldwide in 2 years.
The world's former #1 golfer now sits at number 876. And ESPN correspondent Tom Rinaldi warns Woods should only expect things to get worse.
Right now, there's a mystery surrounding his competitive life, which has only been compounded by this incident in his personal life.
Again, those new documents show that Woods was not drunk at the time of the incident, but he is still being charged with driving under the influence and is set to appear in court on July 5th. Wjla, ABC News, New York.
It's been a bit of a wet morning here, Doug.
Yeah, it still is kind of damp and unsettled, a lot of clouds, but we're expecting some changes this afternoon, a little sun, and then a chance of showers and storms after that. So let's give you a look outside right now. This view coming to us from National Harbor. The skies may look, they're still cloudy, but maybe a little bit brighter than they were about a half hour, 45 minutes ago. We'll see. Mostly, though, areas through the metro area, most of the viewing area, except west of the Blue Ridge, is locked in the clouds, but there are some signs of a little clearing continue to develop west of the Blue Ridge and especially out towards Interstate 81. Then a little farther out to the west of that, we have showers and storms. So it's going to be an interesting afternoon here. Everything really depends on how much sunshine we get, but we're still under, until the new updates released from the Storm Prediction Center, still under a slight risk for severe weather, D.C. metro area to the west and to the north. And what that means is there's a possibility of thunderstorms and a slight risk that 1 or 2 may become severe. No watches or anything like that in effect, nor do we anticipate that. But we do see some showers in our futurecast for about 5:30 in the Fredericksburg area, and this model paints out a line developing from Hagerstown to Harrisonburg around 5:30 and moves that eastward through about 8:30, 9 o'clock tonight, and then skies stay kind of cloudy again with some fog overnight. Tomorrow and Thursday, I think we'll legitimately have more sunshine and warmer temperatures. So overnight, we'll call for the showers and thunder showers to end fairly early tonight. It'll remain rather cloudy with patchy fog to start the morning with winds out of the east at 5 miles per hour. Our futurecast shows things moving on a bigger scale by this afternoon. Showers and storms. The actual front is still well to the west through Ohio, so that will swing through overnight. And finally, we think in the overnight hours, the southeasterly winds will just kind of back more to the south, and I think that's going to play a role tomorrow. And again on Thursday with the possibility of more sunshine. So we still have a 40% chance for showers and storms this afternoon, 30% tomorrow, but up to about 80. If we don't have any sunshine today, we're never going to hit 77. Just keep that in mind. 80 degrees on Thursday, 85 on Friday, and only an isolated shower. But over the weekend, another front comes to town. I think a good portion of Saturday through early to mid-afternoon will be fine outdoors, but then showers and storms at 84, 76 on Sunday, and then Monday showers, and then next week, looks like, again, we'll have a chance of showers and thunder showers. Or clearing skies here after the bout of showers and storms ends. What's interesting here is that on Friday of last week, as we were looking ahead to the 10-day outlook, was still on the same theme that we'd get into this pattern of drier and sunnier weather. So it's still in the model. So we'll see what happens. But we'll keep our eye on this afternoon in case anything nasty pops up, and it's a possibility.
Absolutely.
All right.
Doug, thank you.
Okay.
And coming up on ABC 7 News at noon, it's a clash at the Texas Capitol. What had lawmakers nearly throwing blows on the House floor.
At Dominion, we have a long history of providing reliable energy, and that'll never change. What is changing is our name, to Dominion Energy. It's a reflection of our commitment to energy innovation and renewable sources like solar, wind, and cleaner energy like natural gas. And we'll continue